In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your party voice chat and mic's not working in Valorant on PS5 and the Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller, and from here we're going to go to settings. Then at the top, you want to scroll on over until you get to audio, and then you want to use the triggers on your controller to scroll down on the left side and go to voice chat. Now you want to ensure that your incoming volume is turned up in game, as well as if you have a volume dial on your actual headset that it's turned up. Now for microphone volume, I do recommend you turn this feature up. Now for microphone volume, I do recommend that you turn this up, as well as turning down the mic sensitivity threshold so it's easier for your mic to be picked up when you talk into it. As well as if you have a mute toggle on your actual headset, ensure that it's not turned on. Now you can actually test your microphone in game with the loop back test to see if it works. Now just ensure enable voice chats toggled on down here. Then what you want to do is go back in game, and then you want to have a look in the top left corner and see which button you have to press to get to this lobby here. So what we're going to do in this section is you want to highlight your name and click on it. Then what you want to do is ensure that the mute feature isn't toggled on in game. So once you've ensured that this is turned off, go to communication setup at the top. Then what you want to do is ensure voice chat's toggled on again. And just beneath that, it'll say speaking to. So if someone's in your party, you want to ensure that you're speaking to your party voice rather than on team voice. If you have it on team voice, you will still be able to hear your party, but they won't be able to hear you when you talk into your microphone. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.